When it comes to staying organized on the go, having the best portable toolbox can make all the difference. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, a reliable toolbox is essential for keeping your equipment safe and easily accessible. In this video, we'll explore some top picks for portable toolboxes that offer durability, functionality, and convenience for your next project. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your needs. Big Red TB 101. The Big Red Portable Steel Toolbox stands out as an excellent option for anyone needing a reliable and durable storage solution. Crafted from heavy-duty gauge steel, this toolbox ensures longevity with its corrosion-resistant powder coat finish, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With dimensions of 19.1 inches in length, 6.1 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height, it provides ample space to organize a variety of tools, whether you're working at home, in a workshop, or on a job site. One of the highlights of the Big Red TB 101 is its hip roof design, which not only enhances the box's aesthetic appeal, but also maximizes storage capacity. The toolbox includes a large removable storage tray, offering easy access to smaller tools, so you can keep everything neatly organized and within reach. The toolbox also features a comfortable grip handle for easy portability and a heavy-plated latch that keeps your tools secure. While the box is compact, it doesn't compromise on durability. Its solid construction ensures that it can withstand rough handling, making it an ideal accessory for professional mechanics or hobbyists looking for an affordable yet reliable tool storage solution. The inclusion of a limited one-year manufacturer warranty adds peace of mind for buyers. MILWAUKEE PACKOUT Deep Organizer. If you're looking for a durable, versatile tool organizer that can handle tough job site conditions, the MILWAUKEE PACKOUT Deep Organizer is a standout choice. This 50-pound weight capacity organizer offers everything you need for storing tools and accessories in a compact, sturdy packet. Made from high-quality, impact-resistant polymers, it's built to withstand rough environments while keeping your tools safe and secure. The organizer features 6 adjustable dividers, allowing you to customize the layout based on your storage needs. The 3 large and 3 small dividers offer excellent flexibility, making it ideal for everything from screws to power tool. Plus, the IP65 rated weather seal ensures that your contents stay dry and protected from dust and debris, whether you're working indoors or outdoors. Another great feature is the clear top, which provides easy visibility into the contents without having to open it up, saving you time on the job. The heavy-duty latches and reinforced hinge add to its durability, ensuring that it can handle daily wear and tear. Measuring 19.7 inches in width, 15.2 inches in length, and 7 inches in height, this organizer is compatible with all other PACKOUT components, which makes it an ideal addition to the MILWAUKEE PACKOUT modular storage system. DEWALT Toolbox. If you're in the market for a reliable and highly functional tool storage solution, the DEWALT Multi-Level Workshop is a top contender. This rolling toolbox offers a convenient and spacious design, making it ideal for transporting and organizing your tools efficiently. With 22.5 gallons of storage space and a 90-pound load capacity, it provides ample room for large and small tools alike. The durable plastic construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. One of the standout features is its heavy-duty wheels, which make it easy to maneuver across job sites even over rough terrain. The reinforced telescopic metal pull handle offers a comfortable grip, allowing you to pull it effortlessly. The single pull-up latch design allows for quick and easy opening, granting immediate access to your tools. Inside, the workshop is divided into 4 levels, including a bottom bin for large tools, middle compartments for smaller parts, and a top toolbox for easy access to frequently used items. Despite its impressive capacity, this DEWALT toolbox is relatively compact with dimensions of 21.5 inches by 16.2 inches by 28.8 inches, making it easy to store when not in use. While it isn't water-resistant, it provides solid organization and durability for any professional or DIY enthusiast. The smooth ball-bearing slides ensure effortless opening and closing, adding to the ease of use. Overall, this rolling mobile work center is a reliable choice for anyone in need of a versatile and durable storage solution. Highly recommended for those looking to stay organized on the go. CRAFTSMAN 3-Drawer Metal Portable Chest Toolbox. Next up on our review list is the CRAFTSMAN Portable Chest Toolbox, a fantastic option for those looking for a reliable, sturdy storage solution. This toolbox is built from durable alloy steel, ensuring that your tools are protected from the wear and tear of tough environment. With 3 full extension drawers, you can neatly organize your tools, keeping them easily accessible while working. Each drawer can hold up to 5 pounds, making it perfect for everything from smaller hand tools to heavier items. The toolbox's design features a flip-up handle, making it easy to carry to and from different job sites, while the sturdy latches keep everything securely closed during transport. For added security, it also comes with a locking latch, providing peace of mind if you need to store it unattended. Its compact size, measuring 20.6 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, makes it ideal for those who need a portable storage solution without taking up too much space. Plus, the vibrant red finish is not only eye-catching, but also resists scratches and maintains its sleek look over time. With a 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 1,400 users, the CRAFTSMAN 3-drawer toolbox is well regarded for its durability and functionality. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this toolbox is an excellent choice for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. 22 inches Pro Toolbox. Introducing the 22-inch Pro Toolbox, a highly functional and reliable storage solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its durable resin and metal construction, this toolbox is built to last and can withstand tough working conditions. Weighing in at just 9.7 pounds, it's lightweight enough to be easily carried to any work site, but strong enough to handle up to 50 pounds of gear. This toolbox is designed for both convenience and security. The metal latches and water seal protect your tools from dust, moisture, and external elements, ensuring your equipment stays safe and organized. It also features a sturdy locking system, offering peace of mind when storing your valuable tool. Whether you're a contractor or hobbyist, this box is an excellent companion for transporting and protecting your tools. What sets this toolbox apart is its versatility. Its 22-inch size is spacious enough to accommodate larger tools, yet compact enough to be easily stored when not in use. The box's water-resistant design is a notable feature, ensuring your gear stays dry even in less than ideal weather conditions. The flip-up handle allows for quick and easy portability, making it a perfect choice for anyone on the go. In conclusion, the 22-inch Pro Toolbox provides excellent value for those in need of a reliable, secure, and portable tool storage option. Its durable construction, ample storage capacity, and practical features make it an outstanding choice at a competitive price point.